Hey folks, Luxinda Swirl here. This is going to be tentatively my third project from the January 2021 Wanderlust box. It's not a complete video, it's a quickie, hopefully. But I wanted to wrap up the things I had done or intended to do with the materials from this particular box. You saw me pour these already, and you saw me pour this already. These were both poured with overflow from the tray I did. Here's the tray. This is labeled project number 1. If you want to go back and look at the videos in order of how I released them, I will link to everything below, including the original unboxing video. But in this tray, I used the 4 glow glitters. Each color gets its own side on this tray, and I had a lot left over, so I filled the Zodiac or Astrological pendant or charms mold that we got in the box with the some of the overflow. I used all 4 colors. They each got three little mold indents of their own or charms of their own, so we'll unmold those and color them because there are indents in them. I had even more than that in the overflow cup or cups because I almost always mix up too much. When I want to make sure I have enough, I end up with way too much. So I poured that in here. You can see the 4 individual colors, I believe, mostly. But one thing we're going to do at the very end of this video, so please stick around or fast forward to it if you'd rather, is we are going to take everything into a dark room with a black light and watch it all glow, because it should. Everything here should glow. And the thing I wanted to show last on this video, or the other thing I wanted to show on this video, is how I made use of the materials we got in the box in my first journal entry. So it's pretty simple. I don't have any great calligraphy talents, as you can see, because the back side of the postcard is face down and you can't see the information about Husavik. I wrote the word here, although I notice now that I've done that. It's also on the passport stamp we got. And so that's here. I used some of the washi tape. I used 2 of the Zodiac clear cast stickers. I had one, mine, Virgo, that I put on the cup I made. This was project number 2 from the box, or video labeled project number 2. And then I also put a strip of each of the 4 glitters and the glow paint, and on top of the glow paint I sprinkled some of the glow powder. I didn't have both Aurora. I can't find Borealis, which was the blue glow powder, but I could find Aurora, so there's a sprinkle of glow powder on top of the strip of glow paint. So this should all in one way or another glow, and here are some glow stars as well. So there are elements in this that should glow, so we'll take, like I say, everything into the dark room with the black light and we'll see it glow at the end. But for right now, let's unmold these puppies. See how they turned out. Of course, you can't really see the indentations yet. I'm a little torn. I was thinking of this copper leaf pen. These particular Krylon leaf pens are beautiful. I'm not sure that will be dark enough. So I could also just go black. I mean, that's certainly a possibility. That would bring out the indentations more. But here are our 12 charms. And let's see how one works. Oh, I can barely see it too. Oh, there it is. Yeah, that may not work. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Pisces. And then the astrological, or the star sign. That's the other thing that's on here, is the stars. Constellation. But this is really hard to see. Make sure I'm actually getting paint where it needs to go. Okay. right, there. Baby wipe here. Okay, there is that. Aquarius. Okay, don't laugh, but I actually had to dig out my diary from 1979 to find a nice flat surface with a dark cover on it that I could put these on, so that maybe we could get a decent focused shot here. All right, let's see if we can do this. There, how's that? I think that looks pretty good. I'll try for a close-up. We'll see if it works. There we go. Like I say, I may wait and double color these after the first layer is dried, just to get a little more definition. Focus back here. This was completely empty when I poured the overflow from the cup, or I'm sorry, from the tray sides into here. So it won't look like anything but these 4 glitters on both sides. There's side. That was the top as we poured it. And then this is the underside where most of the chunky settled. So actually this is a lot glitterier. Okay, so we're gonna take this stuff, all of this and the journal, into a dark room, which is not this room, and see if we can get everything to glow. So stay tuned. Okay, we are in my dark room. Please excuse the stuff you see around. I'm gonna try and just show you the articles that we're interested in, not everything else I've got in here. All right, I am using my black light to charge things up. They should all glow, and here we go. Clearly some glow better than others. Let's see. If I turn this back on, the green ones glow really well. The pink ones, this one here is a pinky. The ones that don't glow are the blue ones. That's interesting. Somebody else said their blue powder didn't glow either. Their blue glow glitter didn't really glow. It really, I mean, it's very subtle. There, you can see it here. See my finger? These are the blue ones. These are the green ones, but right next to it are the blue ones. And they barely glow at all, very subtly. And then here, so the green is up here, the pink is here, the blue is over here, over here. And that barely glows at all when I turn it off. A little bit. All right, let's see the journal now. All right, so there are the 2 pages. We should get glow from the glitters, and I'm not sure about the stickers, but the stars definitely. And the glow paint and the Aurora glow powder, that top strip there, right under the passport stamp. So this page should definitely glow, this a little bit with the stars. All right, I'm gonna turn this off now, so here we go. Yeah, ooh, look at that glow powder on top of the glow paint. And the stars definitely glow. And these strips glow sort of like the charms. The pink and the green glow the best. The blue and the purple the least. That is so cool though. Ah! Okay folks, thank you so much for joining me on this Wanderlust journey. We'll come back for another one next month. Can't wait. Stay safe everyone. I'll see you in the next video.